In the heart of the Forgotten Realms lies the grand city of Waterdeep. We stand as proud members of the Harpers, guardians of justice sworn to oppose dark forces. Within your Harpers group, 4 classes stand ready for action. Rogues, who strike from the shadows. Clerics, who wield divine flames. Fighters, who excel in battle strategy. And wizards, who are book-smart spellcasters. Our journey begins at the Curious Past, a shop filled with artifacts and mystery.
Your journey begins now. Step forward, adventurers. Waterdeep is counting on you.
It's actually better than the familiar you see that stuff.
Yeah. Oh, we've been adventurers.
You're late, and here I am, Lonely Star Shadow, far too patient for my own good. We don't have much time. Now, where did I hide the quest details? Oh, I wouldn't worry about that. She's gorgeous, though. Only the skilled can awaken the magic orb. You wizard in the cloak. Yes, gently touch it and check if it answers you. Oh, you have quite the ability. Xanathar, the evil crime lord, once again seeks to destroy the city of Waterdeep. This time with the dragon staff of Agaron. He's aligned with the powerful red dragon Sargon to remove the dragon lord barriers that prevent dragons from entering the city of Waterdeep. You, along with Throcker and Evelina, leaders of the local Harpers, must steal back the dragon staff from him. They'll be along shortly. Well, now turn it off. Your mission is clear. Find your fellow Harper leaders, steal back the dragon staff, and save Waterdeep! You may applaud, yes, thank you. Your instincts were correct. Throcker and Evelina, right on time.
Somebody order a hero?
All right, adventurers, follow me out the back door. Let's go. You all get a long rest. A short rest.
Good enough.
A few days of no sleep. All right. We've worked and maybe sleep hard. I'm not talking about
Hey, Evelina! Any luck finding that rod of absorption?
I don't see it anywhere, Throcker.
You have to find it. The dragon staff is far too powerful to know. And I can see you still in those tracks.
What? He threw it out. That end is juice. That's Lake the Dead.
Lake the Dead, dude. Okay. Alright, adventurers. Our bad guy, Xanathar, is a real mean and insecure evil.
Sounds familiar.
And when we find him, we are going to need your help in solving him with a vicious mockery spell. Kind of goes like this.
I need something to prime
The master is at work. You're a terrible fish, father! Now you insult him. Insult the man. Go for it.
Stinky treasure hoarder. You're fishing.
Okay, alright, calm down. That's very powerful.
Mortals, the Dragon Lord no longer protects your city. Waterdeep will burn and all of your treasure will now be mine.
I'm sure there's nothing dangerous in here. Just don't touch it. Just something might be cursed, but it's probably not.
Yes. That was heated. Did you really steal that bundle?
I think it's the wand of lightning bolts.
Oh, goodness. Are you going to take that too? This kind of looks like a puzzle. Why would a puzzle be here, Evie?
If we solve it, maybe the door will open. Unless you have a better way out.
I always have a better plan. My cleric's over on this side. Can you guys go ahead and give me some dancing lights? I'll give you, oh yeah, bardic inspiration for the win.
Turn the lights back on.
All right, look at all these life-saving trinkets, Evie.
Oh, grow up, Rock.
I am 5.
Wait, I think Xanathar's nearby.
You're right. My fighter's over here. Are you detecting any vicious creatures nearby? Yeah, where? I'm in no mood for any more mimics today. It's time for a thunder.
Wait, I was right. It is a puzzle. Look at the wall. Rose, figure out the pattern. Purple. Jack colors. He's colorblind.
Somebody give me a color.
Hey!
I got it. I solved the puzzle to Xanathar's lair. Yeah.
All right, everyone, be quiet and follow me. Don't split the party. Be stealthy.
Very, very careful.
Get out as quickly as possible. Just stay low.
Okay. Yeah.
It's right there.
Be careful, Xanathar. Stay away from his face. Why would you do that?
Look at all the gold. Don't understand.
There she is, Evie.
It's up to the front.
It's the dragon set.
Yeah.
Yeah. I didn't think I'm gonna use the bottom.
I can see her kids.
You guys don't think Xanathar's nearby, right?
No.
You haven't seen her or anything?
Dad,
No.
bad decision.
Ah, yes. Oh, keep an eye out.
Following your own summer.
He has a lip piercing.
We all good? Everybody here? Everybody made it out? You didn't touch anything, did you? Well, wake the dead, Chiefs. Okay, well, see about that. Let's wake up the dead!
Whoa! Spicy! Did we do it?
Yeah, the dragon staff's in my bag, and you won, thingy.
Foolish Throckery and Evelina! Did you really think you did this yourselves? It was I, Lamalay Star Shadow!
This thing is alive!
Nothing can stop me now!
You've got this.
Welcome to the cult of the dragon!
Hey, Waterdeep! I want to fight
Wow. We secured the dragon staff. We saved Waterdeep. Our mission is complete. You has friends. I am speechless.
Speechless! When?
Oh, you. All right, adventurers. We'll secure these items. You head that way to the first roll tower. Until next time, our Harper friends.
See you again!
Next time you're in the tavern, drinks are on.
What? No, they're not. We're not.